Hello everyone, I am Esther Rebecca Nirmal from Poonolid Silks. This is semi-tussle sarees. So, this is orange shade, peach shade color. And this is self-print work. And pallu portion is metallic silver thread used. And in the blouse plain material blouse. And in the price is 1050. The color changes. This is a lilac shade. This color violet. This is a violet shade. This shade is chocolate shade. This color is another blue ash combination. Now, we have two silver thread. Self work and use this is turquoise blue shade. This is saree. Then work is difference. This check design. This is lavender shade, lilac shade. This is pastel green shade. This is another brick red shade. This color. Then the prices are 1050. The sarees are semi-tussle sarees. We uniform set daily wear use material because it's comfortable material. So support thank you so much.